How to make racist or n-word just on your Infinite Craft game here on your PC. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you that how can you make n-word or how can you make a racist just in your Infinite Craft. For this, firstly you have to just drag the water block here on the main page and then add it with the fire block and create steam. After that, add steam and fire to create an engine, and then we will add two engines together to create rocket, and then we will connect steam to the rocket. It will be steam engine, then steam engine, and connect two rockets, and just connect these two, that is steam engine and then satellite. It will convert the time machine, and then you will have to add the earth block to the time machine. Let me just do this. Add earth and water at the same place to create a plant, and then add engine to this plant here, that will create a car. Then again add an engine to the car, that will be race car. Again add a car, it will be a race. And then you simply have to add two race block together and then create it with time machine, then it will be called a racist in your Infinite Craft. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this. Please keep watching, keep loving.